Hi, welcome to another episode of my touring around the Microsoft Sustainability Manager. Today, I'm going to talk to you about how we can import data and how we can automate that import. So stay tuned. Okay, so last time I spoke a little bit about the analytics part and how we can actually view the data of Microsoft Sustainability Manager. So that was sort of like, if you like, the end result of all we want to do within the Sustainability Manager. So today I'm going to talk to you about how we can automate data import into Sustainability Manager. And obviously, I have finance and operations as my ERP system. No big surprises there. So I have created a number of purchase orders, and I have bought some fuel of Q8, which is a company in Denmark where we can purchase different types of fuel. And I would like those purchase orders to automatically move into Sustainability Manager and be used as foundation for my mobile combustion calculation, which is a Scope 1 category within the carbon emission. So I have a purchase order here on my screen, and I have 3 lines. I purchased some diesel. There's some liters here, and then I'm going to push that data into Sustainability Manager. But before I do that, I would like it to be easier for the Sustainability Manager to understand this data. And one of the things I can use in finance operations is the ability to use what is called financial dimensions. And financial tags. So financial tags are a unstructured way I can add more information on my records in finance operations. And you can see on my screen, I have financial tag for the scope, the category, what organizational unit this data should arrive in Sustainability Manager, and what department, what facility I'm going to push this data into. So this is obviously I'm going to add some information. This is mobile combustion. So this is direct emissions, mobile combustion. This is for my subsidiary in Germany, and this is called Handavid. So now I have a better link between my Sustainability Manager and how that works with data and my finance and operations. So once I save this, I can then behind the scene move the data from finance and operations into sustainability. And the way I'm doing that is by use of Azure Fabric Link, which is a normal way, a standard way of exporting data from finance operations out of finance operation and into, for instance, BI, but it can also be used for the Sustainability Manager. So if I then jump into the Sustainability Manager, I can dive into my data, which I have on a menu here, and there's a menu item called Imports. I'll click that Imports, and I have various imports available. One of them is for mobile combustion from 2024. I'm not going to deep dive into this, but basically behind the scene, I can work with Power Queries to grab data from, in this case, it's just an Azure SQL database. That's where my data resides. And I can push data from finance operations into my Sustainability Manager. And the good thing about it is I can actually automate this. So I can schedule that the minute I have new data in finance operations, that data will automatically move on its route into the Sustainability Manager and be available the next day, within the week or maybe once a month. It depends on your requirement. So easy way to move data from external sources into the Sustainability Manager. So just a quick demo on how we can import data. Next time, I'm going to talk about how we can actually work with that data, calculate data based on different factors and calculation profiles. So until next time, bye-bye.